Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at prepositions and prepositions of time. When we talk about time in English, we usually use at, in and on. For example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in January, in March, in August, in the spring, in the summer, in the winter, and in 1566 or 1995. We use on for days and dates. For example, on Tuesday, on Saturday, on her birthday, on Christmas Day. And we use at for specific times of the day or meals or meal times. For example, at 11 a.m., at 3 o'clock, at lunch, at dinner time, at tea time, at breakfast. We also say at night, at the weekend, at Christmas, at Easter. So there we are. Prepositions of time, at, in and on, a little confusing, but most of the time, easy peasy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.